Hey everyone, Sam from myhonestmarketer.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add images to your Gmail signature and then how to add links to those images. Alright then, let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Gmail account. I'm already logged in. Then navigate to settings from the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to signature and click on the image icon. Now I'm presented with three different options. First is uploading the image from my Google Drive. Second, uploading the image from my system. And third is adding an image using a web address or a URL. If you don't see these options, that means you are logged in using multiple Gmail accounts. So I would recommend logging out of all the other accounts except the one that you're using. And if that still does not resolve your problem, then you need to do this process using an incognito tab. So since I've already saved the logo file on my system, I'm going to use the option which says upload the file using your system. So I'm going to browse, just upload the image. Alright, so this is the actual size of the image. If I click on the image, I can resize it here itself. Alright, I'm going to choose the medium image size. Alright, so that's perfect for me. Now I need to add the link to this image. Just choose this image. Now this is a bit tricky because normally what you would do is you would just select the image and add the link by clicking on this icon. If you do that, if you do that, this is what is going to happen. Now in order to do this correctly, what you need to do is you need to select the image just like you would select the text, like dragging the mouse across the image. So the image is highlighted. Now click on the link icon and then click on the image again. All right, so I'll just repeat it. So you need to select the image as you would select the text by dragging it, and then click on the link icon and then click on the image again. All right, now it gives me the option to change. So I'll just click on change the link, and this is where I'll get rid of the / and copy the URL. Okay, all right, so that did it perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and save changes. All right, so that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you shortly. Thank you.